certainly wasn't expecting this. Hi. We're good. Okay, we're not good.
No, go.
We're not good.
Go.
Oh my God. Connor. Shit. We're good, we're good.
Oh. Not good.
Wow, look at this on the left. It is cranking hard. 2 tornadoes. There we go, twins. I think we're gonna have to celebrate tonight. Look at this. It's all because we played this just right. Yeah, I'm recording video. Baby. Some horizontal vortices up in there. I'm gonna pull off here somewhere. Well, we'll keep going a little ways, I guess. Until this thing like plants a solid one. Paying attention, bro. I was too busy in the moment. I thought it was funny where you were like, Marcus. I'm like, hi.
I know. I was like, dude, all right.
I'm in my moment here. I'm in my element. Still a big tornado right there. You can hear it. Listen.
I know.
Oh, wow, look at that. I know. It's getting closer.
It's coming. coming like this way.
It is, I know. I'm gonna move here pretty soon, don't worry. Oh my. I'm coming.
About to drop right on top of us. Drop another one. Holy shit! Whoa! Whoa! That scared the shit out of me too, man.
Holy fuck, that's out of me, dog.
Look at this! Look at this!
Strong. Wow.
Oh my god!